but today we're gonna go scrounging up on a popular Red Rock route in the canyon. Today what we bought was the Quickie Stick. We got some Gorilla Tape, hook. We're gonna put the hook in the end of the stick. There is a demo station in this Lowe's with the perfect size drill bit to demo, so we drill the hole in the end of that stick. We're gonna put this in the end of there. We'll put this together. Let's screw like this. Alright, so that works so well that I don't think we need the duct tape, so we could have got away with probably $10 hole, but we always need duct tape, so I'm just gonna keep it. Alright, a little practice time. Booty!
Got our fishing pole all rigged up, and now we are approaching the climb. I got it right here.
Alright.
I couldn't.
You're climbing so well. There she comes. Oh, nice. We got the stick.
Got it.
Here we are at the first picking hole. Oh, good. Easy. There's already one on the ledge. Ooh, once you get back here, everything starts to light up. Shimmering. Oh yeah, we got their phone, bud.
iPhone.
I could use an
7?
upgrade. Ooh, another bean.
I'll take that. Nice, that was a locker.
Oh, I got it.
Ooh, a nut.
Yeah, bud. Hand me the. You gotta go head first though.
Okay.
So if I get stuck, you're gonna have to pull my feet first.
Okay.
You come to the.
Oh God. Did you get it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Drop it.
Oh, you dropped. Oh, I see the hook though.
Can I throw it back or?
Yeah, you can throw it. I love these.
Oh. Got something before that.
Ooh. Slings. We'll scoop those up in a
So this, yeah, it won't work because it's straight, so we need the around the corner. Yeah, the scrounge.
What's the scrounge, Nate?
So it's an adjustable nut tool. This one is, I hope, 4 feet long. Pluck this bad boy out. Alright, hold that for now.
Best of
But now I
luck.
gotta get tighter in there because this is.
Alright. Best of luck to you.
I got it!
Woo! What is it?
It's kind of busted. I could get lubed up. It's an old X4.
Woo! Score.
And then we do a couple more blind passes.
Okay.
And then this hole is picked out.
Woo woo!
Alright. This hole picked out. Gotta let your eyes adjust. I'll figure out how to get the pole in here at the right angle. I thought I saw something shiny.
Any luck?
No.
Uh,
There's a water bottle, but it's been there for years.
And it's stuck.
A modern day chalk stone.
Holla. That's stopper number 3 today.
Beaner.
Woo! Beaner number 1, 2, 3, 4 today. I have 5 of these at the locker.
This is the final booty hole. The deepest of them all.
I got it. Do you want the scrounge?
Get on this water bottle, but it's just a Gatorade bottle. Something else. Sunglasses
Ooh!
broken. Oh,
What'd you get?
I don't know. It's a big one.
Ooh, you got
We got it.
got a marlin. Ooh!
Ooh,
Water bottle and what's in that bag?
no, that's a mystery item.
Ooh, and a ring.
Ooh, I got something. I don't even know how it's hooked. Ah! Alright. Whew! Got it. Oh, sunglasses.
Another sunglasses?
Eddie Bauer had both lenses. They look decent.
Ooh,
I'll put those in my pocket.
yeah. Fancy.
Beaner.
Ooh, another beaner.
Ooh, I got a stopper.
Ooh, that's number 4 today, baby.
It's a weird one, too.
Why is it weird? What'd you find, Nate?
You got a cam, very particular. Oh, it's an alien.
Ooh, an alien! What color?
It's old Big Gray.
Ooh, still got some life left.
I sprang into it.
Nice. What'd you find?
I got a beaner. Carabiner.
Ooh, another beaner.
Purple.
Yay.
Really dirty.
Score.
Well, it's pretty new. I don't know how I got that dirty. But I also saw a glimmer of something red down there.
Ooh, that sounds promising.
Ooh, I see a loop of something I think man-made. Alright. I got it.
What is it?
Dude, water. Maybe metal?
Gross. Alright, now that it's zoomed out, here's the water bottle. It's got still some water in it.
Woo! Sling in a beaner. I don't know where this came from. There's a little hidey hole down there. Oh, that's decent.
Alright, you're all done doing here?
Yeah, I think with that tool, if it had a bend in it, it would be.
Yeah. Well,
Or if we could see the bottom.
found some good stuff anyway. Tough chimney, huh?
feels harder than ever before.
He emerges. All right, this is what we got. So 2 pairs of sunglasses. We have lots of beaners, nuts, slings, cams, corn nuts, gray alien, which we actually don't have a gray alien, another nut, slings and beaners, water bottles, and this water bottle. This one also has a wrap ring on it.
Alright, so what could be the best thing of the day, even though we found the iPhone,
Yeah, let's see. Let's do the full reveal.
is we have a bag reveal here.
What could be inside?
What's in this bag? Let's flip this pink thing.
First up.
Is it a wag bag?
Yeah, except I think it's a wag bag, but then I'm also confused as to what that is. What that picture is. I thought it was, is it a She Whiz?
It's a pee
Yeah,
bag.
it says Feminine Urinary Director for Women of All Ages. It is a She Whiz.
Whoa.
Holler, except I already have a funnel. I think there's something else. That was definitely
could be the
an
funnel.
essential on the climb. Ooh, mocha cliff shot.
Ooh.
Unopened.
Nice.
We could eat this
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Score.
Alright, so here's everything that was bootied the other day. These are beaners that I cleaned up and deemed, I'm just gonna retire them. This one doesn't open past that much. This one's worn past that notch, don't like this sling was found higher up on the route. Just sitting by itself. Probably the easiest thing I found just sitting there. Regular booty. 2 nut tools pretty deep in there. But it looks really nice. These cams look pretty bad. This one doesn't look great. But I cleaned it up. And the cam in action works really well. It's a little rusted on the outside. And then this alien, it's old school. It's rusted out pretty bad. It's a CCH one, back in the day. But that one cleaned up pretty well too. Nice cam in action. This sling though probably is 15 years old. Maybe newer. Maybe, I don't know. Look decent except that one. I don't like the rest on that, but they're just nuts. Don't really use. Kind of hate. These beaners all look good. These are a little weird ones. I haven't seen the faders. Triangle locker. Then I always find water bottles. Looks like a little memorial band. I'll hold on to it for a while. It's the top of a water bottle. And I'll just use it for the same thing. Freshette. For women only. It's a little urinal thing. But hope we'll use that. And then the best of them all. Then this, I turned on the phone. It said April 25th. And so this phone's been lost for almost 8 months. 8 months tomorrow. But then when I opened the phone, it's got a picture of him somewhere. Yep, there. And then I was able to go into his Instagram account, find out his name, send him a message, and then he instantly sent a message back, and then he's gonna get back his iPhone. I'm gonna send it in the mail today. So that's that. Cool.
Isn't it John Muir who once said, "Into the booty hole I go to lose my mind and find my soul"?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what he said, right?
that's why we do this.
Uh-huh.